That's what I love. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love poo, yes.
Oh,
My
it's
pet?
so pretty.
Yes, my pet.
So beautiful. Oh.
She is only 5 kilos and 5 feet before. But now she's already more than 200 kilos.
How long is
11
he?
years, 24 feet now.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
She's in molting stage
Uh-huh.
because every month she's shedding her skin. That's why her color is dark.
Yeah.
But after shedding her skin, this is gold and golden brown. And she's very domesticated. And you know, if the time changes her skin, I am the one to remove her skin. Yeah. Her waistline is 30 inches already.
Oh, same as mine.
Kanjing pamaulan jud kana klaro kayo.
Oh, lagi.
Kunyara kang gidaog-daog ha.
Come on.
Anya na lang.
Uy,